everyone, lads and lasses. As the title suggests, on the bus, off the bus. So the words of today is, why didn't I think of this well before? Whilst rummaging in screws and nuts and bolts area, it hit me like a freight train. When the fan is secured to the frame, which adds to the weight, getting it mounted with one arm, but it's not impossible, is going to be a pain in the butt. So, got thinking on option 2. Why not fabricable a new frame that secures to the inside of the window frame, measure outside of the frame, cut it out as I done with option 1, weatherproof it, secure it to the frame using knurled nuts and bolts, and probably glue the bolts. After brew day, unscrew the fan, reach in and close the window. In my tiny little brain, I think with only one arm it's better to lift the fan than a heavy frame and fan, but I hope it makes sense. But as you can see, the OSB board was just too small in height. So, time to pick more OSB, and at the same time research the 4 securing knurled bolts and then glue. It seems like it's becoming bigger than
Well, lads and lasses, all I need to do is obviously paint and weatherproof, and I'll get on brewing, man. So I'll catch you all later. Well guys, I hope you can hear us. Yeah, there's a rigorous boil, but the position needs to be directly below the fan. You'll see. For all the steam is getting out, yeah, I think I can do a little small hood, yeah, to help. So that's going to be the next sort of project. Well lads and lasses, I think I've milked it for all I can do now at the moment. I was just saying, the lads and lasses in the Homebrew forum, sometimes the cheaper option isn't all it's cracked up to be. If I went for the Brewzilla Condenser, I'd have it now, and I'd be brewing now.
Oh yeah.
So, for the saving of £100, was it worth it? But definitely, it's taxed my brain. All I need to do now is paint it, final sealing, and crack on with the brew days. Thanks so much for following me on my journey. Take care, look after each other, and I'll catch you on the next one.